So this is how I test my corn, and I think this is way past due operation. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ras Ali grows. Basically just harvesting some, I ripped some corn. I got a whole bag with about, there was about 36, about 3 dozen. Recently, probably about 2-3 days ago, you know. I recognized that the corn, and basically, a greater portion of them fit. So some of them now have actually gone too far. I've decided to leave these, some of the larger ones, you know, these here to become dry for replanting. I'm ensuring that I have enough. This is a new planting breed that I got. You know, it's still planting, but you know, plantings grow a little bit different, you know, in the different types. I believe this one, the plant itself may not be as huge, but the fruit should be of substantially larger variety compared to the stock. So I'm hoping to have that experience. Yeah, so basically Ras Ali continue to grow. As you can see here, we reap the peas from the previous batch, and I recognized the other day when I was about to pull the stalks up, they were somewhat springing from the base, and in one specific case, this is what I recognized on one of the new stems or branches. As you can see here, we have fresh peas. So I've decided to let those go up, since this was an experimental batch, and see what is going to come of them. Yeah man, so this is it. Alright, let me just give you a peep. See? Peep. That is it. Alright, excellent. So we know that this is definitely that's ready. See? And these, if you notice the hair at the top, the indicator for me, you notice these are still somewhat light colored, so I'm not going to be troubling those. You can feel them, you know, you can feel them, you feel them. The ones that are hard, you can know. Alright, this is definitely good, firm. So see that it's ready for there. It's definitely ready. This one seems to be having a little bit of an insect problem, but